This is May 1st, 2012. This is Justicedonedirtcheap. We're interviewing people on the walking trail. How are you doing today, sir?
Good, how are you?
Would you like to be interviewed?
Sure.
And what's your name?
Tyler McLennan.
How you doing, Tyler?
I'm good, how are you?
What is your views on the City of Fredericton bylaw regarding mandatory helmet wearing?
I think it depending on the age is either appropriate or inappropriate. After maybe the age of say 16, 18 years old, where someone is an adult and can sort of choose these things on their own, I think it should be up to their consent, what they would like, what they prefer is their choice. People who are younger, I would suggest that yes, that would remain, so that because kids naturally, as they grow, will come stronger, things like that. So as a young child, it's probably much safer for them to have the helmets and stuff like that. But when you become an adult, I think it should be consensual.
So once you're the age of majority and you're considered an adult and the justice system treats you as an adult, then you should be able to choose yes or no if it's in your interest to wear a helmet or not. And it seems like if wearing a helmet was such a great idea, people would wear it because it's a smart thing to do.
Yeah.
But if someone chooses not to, that choice should be respected.
Exactly, yes. It should be.
Yes. So what do you think about the City of Fredericton bylaw regarding riding on the sidewalk with a bicycle? Now, just the mere fact of you being on the sidewalk with a bicycle could incur a $50 to $500 fine. Quite amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. It's ridiculous, I would say. Because as it stands right now, bicycles, are supposed to be driven in the street, but at the same time, vehicles and bicycles don't travel at the same paces. It's very problematic. Much more cause of accident, harm, and if you get hit by a car, then there's a good chance of you dying. If you say get bumped by a bicycle while you're walking, you'll get hurt, but there's much less risk. And as long as people are respectful, keeping distance and things like that, I see absolutely no reason why bicycles shouldn't be allowed on sidewalks, because they've got to go somewhere, and sidewalks are the best place. Plus, it's an area of commute for things that aren't vehicles, so I just don't see any reason why they should be banned from it.
So it seems appropriate if someone chooses that it's safer for them to actually travel by sidewalk, respect other people's space, then why not travel by bicycle on the sidewalk?
Exactly.
Seems kind of arbitrary for the City of Fredericton to be able to make a bylaw banning such a simple thing. And what's amazing is that they can actually give you the fine even if you're on an empty sidewalk.
That's even more ridiculous. I mean, there's no cause for concern there. I mean, maybe if an individual is, blasting through an area where it's just a lot of people and doesn't choose to get off the bike and maybe walk along around people, but even then that's difficult. But it seems to me a very ridiculous thing, especially in a city like this where we have a lot of pedestrians who are on bicycles or on foot, and there seems to be very restricted on where they can go and what they can do.
So it seems to come down, if someone's acting recklessly, that has nothing to do with whether they're on a bicycle or just running recklessly around, swinging a stick or whatever.
Exactly.
It's inappropriate behavior either way.
Yeah. And
there's no need for the City of Fredericton to make a bylaw in that regard. And it seems like the city is utilizing this bylaw regarding riding on the sidewalk with a bicycle, or the helmet bylaw, to arrest people that otherwise would be safe from arbitrary arrest because they'd be protected by the charter. The city's actually using this to arrest people otherwise they wouldn't be able to touch, but they're using this as probable cause to arrest them. Do you think that's fair?
No, I have no idea on that situation, but if that is in fact the situation, then no, that is completely unfair. That is just, no, not fair at all.
Yes, and for the city to charge $50 to $500 just for simply being on the sidewalk with a bicycle seems to be egregious. It's outrageous to be able to charge something like that, even on an empty sidewalk.
Yeah, exactly.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
All right, any final thoughts?
No, that's it.
All right, thank you for taking the time for the interview today. This is Justicedonedirtcheap. We're in Fredericton, New Brunswick. We're on the walking trail, interviewing people, and thanks again. I wish you a great day.
Thank you. Same to you.
Have a great day.